So what am I looking at, Pete? What are these?
Starfish.
Starfish? That's pretty obvious, I guess. What else is tucked in here?
These are all ball gowns here.
All right.
I can't pull this back because of this.
Oh, no need. We're just sneaking around. Okay, that's a mermaid.
It's going to be for the contest.
Okay.
And these are the starfish bodies.
Okay.
One more, narrate. You want to show you a narrate?
Well, where'd you go? Aha, I'm here. What's this one?
This is a manta ray.
A manta ray. Wow. Okay. And then what's in this row?
This row.
What we
These
got
are
here?
trumpet fish.
All right. Let me get the trumpet fish. All right. What's the green one?
This is an eel, and he's jetsam.
Okay.
Seagull.
Wow. That makes sense. Oh, I got you. I get you.
See the face?
Oh, nice.
These are just cooks that help. Just a cook.
Okay.
It's a jellyfish. Of course, that's a soldier. The service, that's junk.
Okay.
Go back to sailors. No, these are like sailors.
Okay.
Oh, got you the wrong direction.
Nice.
Like sailors.
Is that Ursula one still hanging up front?
Yes.
Let's sneak out. Let's take a look at that guy.
We get her hooked up a little bit on her shoulders. You gotta get a better look at her.
That is awesome. Nice.
That's her dinner dress. This is her ball.